Hi guys, so we're just going to be doing some more dividing today, but we're going to be focusing on dividing a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now I know sometimes it might look a little bit scary, but I'm going to teach you a nice little way just to make it a little bit easier for yourself, which you might already know, so we're just going to go over and practice a little bit. So the first question is, we can see there's a lot of cupcakes on my screen. There are 66 cupcakes shared out equally onto 3 plates. How many cakes will be on each plate? Well, so we're going to have 3 little plates like this, right? And we need an even number of cakes. So some of you might know your 3 times tables enough up to there, which is great, and be able to do that instantly, which is very good if you can, but no worries if not, because we're going to use the bus stop method. So we're going to put our 66 on the bus like this and put our 3 on the outside like so. Now we go, how many 3s are in our 6? And we know that is 2, so 3, 6. And now the same thing for the last number, how many 3s are in 6? And again, it's 2. So we know that one plate has 22 cakes, the second plate has 22 cakes, and the third plate has 22 cakes. We have 3 equal numbers that make up our 66. So the 66 divided by 3 equals 22. Excuse me. So moving on, what is 66 divided by 3? Now you might be able to work it out from the last question, but we're going to go through and do that again. So down here, I'm just going to write 66 divided by 6 equals something. So I'm just writing out a question again, okay? So we're going back to the bus stop and we're putting 66 in the bus stop and we have 6 on the outside. Right, now this one's quite easy because we know what goes into 6 each time, which is just 1 and 1. So you can break it down like that, very nice and simple. So we know 66 divided by 6 equals 11, so we're going to pop that in, and now we're just going to kind of check our answers a little bit, okay? So we're going to do 66 divided by 11, and now this answer should always give you the first one. So in this case it's 6. So it's just a nice, quick and easy way of checking your answers nice and quickly, especially in tests. You know, sometimes you don't have enough time to check your answers, but if you just flip the numbers around, the equation should always be the same number should always be in the equation. So we're going to do it again. This time we have 62 divided by 2, so let's go ahead and put 62 divided by 2 down here. Draw out our bus stop again, put our 62 in there like so, put our 2 on the outside, and how many 2's go into 6? 2, 4, 6, so that is 3. How many 2's go into 2? Well, that's nice and easy, it's just 1. So 31. So actually, before we put our answer in, we should always check our answer. Okay, so we put 31 down here, and then we go 62 divided by 32. So how many 32? Is that right? 62 divided by 31. Sorry. How many 31s go in 62? And the answer to that is 2. So we've checked our answer and it's right. Just go ahead and pop it in there. 62 divided by 2 equals 31. Okay, last question now. What is 99 divided by 9? So down here again, we're going to write out the question. So 99 divided by 9. Just getting ready for us to check it. And we're going to pop our bus stop down with our 99 in it like so, and our 9 on the outside. So again, this is the same numbers, so we should know this, and it should be nice and easy for everyone. How many 9's in 9? 1. How many 9's in a 9? 1. Okay, so we pop our 11 down here, and then we go, okay, 99 divided by 11, so we swap those numbers around again, equals 9. Okay, that is perfect, so we know that is right, so we go ahead and pop our answer in there. But we're just using the bus stop method and breaking down these numbers, and also using this way of checking. So we're just swapping the numbers around, and all the numbers, the equation should be correct if the numbers are still swapping around. So it's just a little easy check when you are dividing that you can do in tests and stuff like that, just to make sure that you have got the right answer.